Hi, my name is Nat Nago. I am a computer scientist and also an English teacher. Welcome back to my English podcast. If you are one of the millions who suffer from social anxiety, you know that it can make life pretty difficult. But there are simple things you can do to make yourself feel better. These tips will help you overcome social anxiety and live a happier life. Number 1. Fake it till you make it. This might seem like weird advice, but if you act like an extrovert while you are an introvert, eventually your brain will start believing that you are extroverted. In other words, if you keep trying new things and putting yourself in social situations, the more confident and outgoing you will gradually become. That way, when opportunities for conversation arise, or when you are faced with a difficult social situation, you'll be better prepared and have no problem answering difficult questions with confidence. Number 2. Engage in creative activities. If you are feeling anxious about social situations, it's important to have other things in your life that make you happy. Think of these activities as a way to decompress and recharge. It might be journaling, drawing, gardening, painting, writing, or making a video. Whatever it is that makes you feel relaxed, creative, and calm. Not only that, these activities can help you feel more confident when socializing with other people. Number 3. Get out of your comfort zone by going on dates, attending social events, or meeting new people in person. To help you get over your social anxiety, try actively going out and meeting new people. This might be as simple as striking up a conversation with someone at the coffee shop or attending some kind of social event like an art show. The more often you do this, the easier it will become. If those things make you too anxious in general, take baby steps by breaking down big goals into smaller ones and then build yourself up to where you want to be. Remember, you are stronger than your fear. Number 4. Learn about what makes other people tick and what they care about. We are social beings, and the more we are able to relate to each other, the less awkward things will feel. Learn about what makes people tick by asking them questions or reading articles on psychology. When you know someone's interests and what their passions are, you'll be able to have deep conversations with them. Number 5. Practice meditation. These activities can be great for the mind and allow you to get in touch with your inner self. Meditation can be especially helpful for those who suffer from anxiety because it lets them take time for themselves. Once you can feel relaxed and peaceful, you'll be able to overcome social anxiety and find it easier to engage with other people. I hope that you learned something new today. My goal is to help you gain more useful knowledge every day while improving your English considerably. Don't forget to sub for more awesome videos every week. Share this video with your friends and families so that they can benefit from this information as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.